Bar Exam 2024 Political Law Question number 7. Andrew, a long-time advocate of women's rights, is a bona fide member of the Bini Bini Party registered with the Commission on Elections under the party list system. Bini Bini Party seeks to represent the women section in the House of Representatives. In the 2022 elections, Bini Bini Party secured one seat, and its first nominee, Andrew, passed his oath of office and started to serve his term as a member of the House of Representatives. However, an electoral protest was filed against Andrew on the ground that he is not qualified to represent the women sector because he is male. Is Andrew qualified to represent Bini Bini Party in the House of Representatives? Explain. Answer, yes. He is qualified. Any organized group of persons may register as a party organization or coalitions for purposes of the party list system by filing with COMELEC not later than 90 days before the election of petition verified by its president or secretary stating its desire to participate in the party list system as a national registry of sectoral party or organization, or the coalition of such parties or organizations attaching thereto its constitution, bylaws, platform or program of government, list of officers, coalition agreement, and other relevant information as the COMELEC may require, provided that the sectors shall include labor, peasant, fisherfolk, urban poor, religious, cultural communities, elderly, indigenous, cultural communities, elderly, handicapped, women, youth, veteran, overseas workers, and professionals. Further, Andrew is not a priest or bishop that can disqualify his party list, nor a member of Abu Sayyaf, nor a communist who don't believe in 1987 Constitution, and he is not also a foreigner based on Section 2, Paragraph 5, Article 9C of 1987 Constitution. Further, it must not be taken as literal interpretation because we have congressmen who rides in SUV or sports utility vehicle and represents the peasant or urban poor. Thus, Andrew, even he is a male, but assuming arguendo that he has no mustache or beard, then he can't be easily recognized as male based on the figure of speech of the maker of the question. Lastly, if he is enthusiast of arts of women that other women find it hard to leave that job, then he is a bona fide representative. So that's it. That's my answer for number 7 question. I hope and pray. Not just hope, I hope of hope that our answers will coincide in this number 7 question on the Bar Exam 2024. Thank you, God bless, and good day. I mean good night.